So you've come to see the answer. I hope you've gotten it already. Well, I'm not gonna stereotype, but I'm not gonna be one of those people who say, "Oh, you didn't do it. Shame on you." If you didn't do it, well, you have your own reasons to. I'm not gonna stop you. You're not gonna stop yourself. We'll leave it at that. The first thing I would do is x plus 2 and x plus 2. That's already a step we've seen so many times. It's already been factored from a previous equation. So because we know that, we could just say, well, it's x plus 2 and then x squared minus 9. So, let's do it. Okay. We don't want that exponent, so we turn this into x plus 3, x minus 3, and then we bring down the x plus 2. See? It really looks complicated, especially because you have that x squared in the front. And so you might say, oh no, I can't do this. This is impossible. But it's not impossible. There is a solution, or else I wouldn't be giving it to you. I wouldn't even know. And I could see why you might be inclined to think, oh, well, let's just do the distributive property. Well, let's do the distributive property. Why won't we? We finished it. Let's see how it relates to our current answer. X squared times x gives you x cubed. X squared times 2 gives you plus 2x squared. Negative 9 times x gives you negative 9x. Negative 9 times 2 gives you minus 18. Okay. Right now, we can't combine any like terms, but what we can do, I never did it this way. Hold on. We'll work through it together. If you have x cubed, they don't have a greatest common factor that we could exploit, because that's a 1. We can't go into x all the time, because that doesn't have an x. Oh, wait a second, hold on. I have an idea. What if we were to do what we normally do? Well, over here we could take out an x squared times x plus 2. And then here we could take out a negative 9 times x plus 2. And so we have, again, x plus 2 times x squared minus 9. And of course, we simplify this as x minus 3, x plus 3. And we get the same thing. This way is probably simpler and quicker, but it may take more time to see it. This way is if you want to just jump right into it. It might take longer by itself, but nonetheless, it does work. Eventually, you'll get the same thing. That's the challenge problem. And that's all for factoring completely. Congratulations, you've passed this unit topic. Goodbye.